welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. So we have a little quick some Kayali fragrances that I am excited to wear for the fall. And of course, what sparked this on is I got my new bottle. Got the new bottle. I got my backup bottle. Yeah. So this is the Wedding Silk Santal 36, and yep, I have it. So now I don't have to babysit my fragrance that I have on my fragrance tray. We can use her because she is in hand. But I did want to spill a little quick one too.
Everything stops for tea.
So some of you all know I actually order my fragrance from the actual Huda site. I don't normally do Kayali fragrances when they're coming out with something new from the Sephora site. So I have a lot more experience with ordering fragrances from there. So I did give you all the tea that they normally release, right, or available to sell at 4 a.m. on the site. Anytime they have fragrances. So that ended up being the case. And it is 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm on Central Standard Time. Okay. So another reason, all that to say, another reason I do order from the site is because you get points. It's like similar to Sephora. It's a little bit more cutesy and a little fancy because you can do certain things to also gain extra points. So you'll have to go on the site, explore, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I had enough points, all that to say, I had enough points to get $30 off. Yeah, hey, what you say now? $30 off. What? Yeah. Okay, and I'm looking at my phone, but I got $30 off because of all the fragrances I have purchased from Kayali. And so I only had to pay $76.65. Okay, when that bottle was $100, plus tax, all that, I plus tax had to pay $76. So I was in there, okay? So I was excited. I got my backup bottle, $30 off. So I would encourage you, if you would like, I know Sephora has points as well. So, just do what works best for you, okay? But as for me in my house and what I do, yeah, I purchased from the Huda site directly so I can get my points. And it worked out. And your sis is smiling, clearly. But that's not why we're here. We're not here so that you all can hear about my discount and how proud I am. Now, I will say, spill the tea on this. Well, y'all already know because you experienced it. Now, if you never purchased on Huda site before, you had to. If you wanted a bottle on time, you had to go over to the Huda. You had to go to the official site because why? Sephora was shut down. You all broke the internet. And we all know why the internet was broke. It was because of this beauty right here, the Wedding Silk Santal. We know why Sephora's internet was broke. They was not prepared. I don't know why the people are not prepared. I need to be working for Sephora on their team to say, today is that day. If we ain't going to have something right this year, it's going to be this site. Because that site was shut down. It said out of commission. Okay? We'll put a picture up of what I took a picture of or screenshot. And he was zapped. It said no more. You all attacked it like at the same time. So anyway, if you wanted your bottle, you went over to, and I hope you all registered and got your points so that you all can and use that as a backup plan. Yeah, okay, but we welcomed you. You know, the ones that always purchase from the site, we welcomed you. We said, yeah, come over here. Bring yourself over here and get your bottle. But hilarious. That was funny. But let's get into, honey, what am I excited to wear for the fall from Kayali? Okay, let's go. So other than the wedding silk Santal, in my collection, I just pulled out some ones that I am really excited to wear. And in no particular order, I have Lovefest Burning Cherry. Oh my goodness. Like when I say I love a good cherry in this season, okay? If a fruit that comes out and says, yes, girl, we're here to stay for the fall, it's cherry. I love cherry in the fall. It is so good. But this to me, it's your dark. Ooh, it's your dark sour cherry. And it is so good. It has like almond. I know it has almond in this. And it has it on the back. Maybe not almond. Okay, so it has praline. Okay, but it's a nutty scent in here. And it's so good. And we also have raspberry. It's a burning cherry. So you get the smoky. Yes, you do. And it has Palo Santo. So some wood, some Gaiac wood, some patchouli. This is beautiful. Okay, and absolutely for this season, this gives you boots all day. Like, I don't know what else you would wear with this. Like, you're not wearing nobody's stilettos. Stilettos. Pop in the club. You're not doing that. Not with this. Why? For what? You better get your boots. Stiletto boots. Stiletto boots. Up in the club. Yeah. Ah! Whew. Okay. Moving on. Next up, Miss Popular, okay? And if Snow White, like the evil step, the step queen, the evil queen, okay? Snow White would be wearing this. Because why? Eden Juicy Apple. Eden Juicy Apple. This is so good. So good. Oh my goodness. Like, what do you want me to say? Like, if you don't have Eden Juicy Apple and you love Kayali, I'm not talking about you at all. But I'm just looking like, do you want to change that? Do you want to get an apple scent? Because maybe you don't like apple scent. And that's fine. But this one, if you like gourmand, if you like sweet things, like, this is beautiful. This is so good. I love this. It is very addicting, juicy apple. It is sweet. It's all the things you would want a juicy, fruity fragrance to be. Now, some people say like, oh girl, it gives me body spray. It gives me fragrance body mist. Some people say that. So, if that's what it gives you, that's what it gives you. But to me, it gives me, girl, I'm smelling good. Okay, it gives me walk in the room and yes, they said, who is that fruity, juicy gal? Well, maybe they won't say that, but you get the point, right? It just gives you smelling good, smelling sweet, just, it takes over. It takes over. What else to say? Moving on. Next up, we have Mona's favorite and honey. Well, she's not my favorite, but she's close. And we have Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. Listen, Linda, listen. This is so good. So if you like pink pepper, you like rose, you like a good sexy spice. You know, you want to be a little sexy stepping in, okay? This is so good. And to me, you all know I love a good easy reach. These are great easy reach. You know, like this one I could wear dressed up, dressed down. I can go to the fall festival with you. I can go to a concert. I can do the things that I need to do. And then layering and pairing this with something, honey, I love her. She is so good. And just a spice rose, but not too spice where you're like, that's just too peppery. No. But you do have to like pink pepper because there's pink pepper in this, right? But it's so good. So pretty, but pretty, not just pretty princess, but like pretty sexy princess. Or pretty sexy queen. I like that more. Moving on. Next up, we have the sexy chocolate chip cookie. Like spicy, oud cookie. It's like a oud cookie. Oud chocolate chip cookie. That's what it is. It's a oud chocolate chip cookie. And you're like, oud, sis, stop there. But it is so good. And it is divine in the fall winter season. It is invite only, okay? I stayed up. This is when I found out when the Huda site opens up with the Kayali fragrances. This is when I found out. Because I woke up at 1, I woke up at 2, I woke up at 3, and it was finally available at 4 Central Standard Time. This is when I found out the time zone. When it's available on the site, okay? So I will always remember invite only because I stayed up all throughout the night because I just knew everybody was going to take this one. Like I was like, ooh, people are going to be after her. I'm not going to be able to get her. People keep talking about her. I'm not going to have any room. I'm not going to get my fragrance. And I camped out, okay? It was a sleepover. And I was so tired for working the next day, so I suffered from it. But I got my fragrance. And I am happy. I am happy. So, honey, so good. Highly recommend you get your chocolate chip oud cookie. Because that's what you want to smell like. Since I don't want to smell like nobody's oud chocolate chip cookie. Well, that's what I want to smell like. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, we have a oldie but a goodie. Honey, this is Princess Jasmine, okay? We have like the Arabian princess. We have she is so cute and good. Not cute. She is cute and pretty. But she is controversial because not everybody like her. So tread easy. I love her. Okay, I love Princess Jasmine, but not everybody likes her. Not everybody is like honey the midriff. I cannot do it. Some people are like, no, don't give me body yaddy. Give me the other thing. Give me clothes. What are we talking about? I'm talking about Princess Jasmine. She got the halter top and it don't even matter. Okay, so Kayali, okay, Elixir 11. Yeah, I know. And not everybody likes her and rocks with her, but I love her and rock with her. Some people have put her on sale, and I'm like, oh, why? Like, ugh. And this fragrance does not have berry in it, but it gives me this berry, like blackberry, maybe blueberry. It just gives me a dark berry juice. And again, it doesn't have this note, but I think they lied. I think it's berry in here. But you have rose. You have all types of rose. You have apple in this. You have amber in this. You have vanilla in this. You have jasmine sunbag. So like this is Princess Jasmine white floral. This is so good. So if you like white floral, a rose and apple, but if you like even like a berry note, like I feel like this gives me blackberry, and I'm gonna stick to it. But this is so pretty. I love her. Like again, I can only think of Princess Jasmine every time I wear this. That's how I feel. And those that don't like her, I'm sorry, sis. It's gonna be okay though. There's others in the bunch that you might like, okay? Well, that is all. That's all, family, for my Kayali fragrances, my top 5 that I'm excited to wear for the fall. What are you excited to wear for the fall? Did you get your bottle? Da-da-da. Did you get your bottle? You know, all these songs that are in my head. Like, jeez. I am on something, but well, I'm not on anything, you know. This is just me on a regular, like, and I'm not getting help today either, so don't ask, okay? Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.